Even though billions of dollars are spent each year on fuel injector cleaners, not a single one has ever been officially approved by the EPA. So, how can you know which ones actually work and which could damage your engine? That's exactly what we're here to uncover. In this video, we'll go over the worst and the best fuel injector cleaners out there. Some of these are infamous for clogging fuel systems, stopping cars from running, and even ruining catalytic converters. At the very end, we'll reveal a bonus cleaner that could save you thousands of dollars and is almost free. Let's start with the worst fuel injector cleaners. 7. Generic low-cost fuel injector cleaners. Walk into any auto parts store or gas station, and you'll see shelves lined with fuel injector cleaners priced at just a few dollars. At first glance, they seem like a cheap and easy fix for dirty injectors, but the reality is very different. These bargain products usually contain little to no polyetheramine, PEA, the active ingredient proven to dissolve stubborn carbon deposits. Instead, they're often filled with alcohol or kerosene-based solvents that do more harm than good. Not only can they fail to clean your injectors, but they might also thin out your fuel, strip away lubrication, and even accelerate wear inside your engine. Many drivers buy them hoping for better performance or fuel economy, only to be disappointed, or worse, facing costly repairs. When it comes to injector cleaners, cheap is rarely effective. If the bottle costs less than a cup of coffee, it's better left on the shelf. 6. Seafoam. Motor treatment. Seafoam is one of the most recognizable names in the automotive world, and for decades it's been marketed as a do-it-all solution for engines. Many mechanics and drivers swear by it for cleaning intake systems, crankcases, and carburetors. But when it comes to modern fuel injectors, Seafoam simply doesn't deliver what's needed. Unlike premium cleaners that use high concentrations of PEA, Seafoam relies mainly on petroleum distillates. While these can help dissolve light varnish and sludge, they aren't strong enough to break down the stubborn carbon deposits that clog injectors over time. On top of that, using it too often can dilute your oil or upset the delicate balance of your fuel system. 5. Abro. Fuel Injector Cleaner. Abro is a brand that shows up everywhere: supermarkets, small workshops, and even at roadside shops. It's affordable and widely available, which is why many car owners grab a bottle without thinking twice. The problem is that Abro's fuel injector cleaner is mostly designed for diesel engines, not modern gasoline injectors. Instead of targeting carbon buildup with effective detergents like PEA, it often relies on cheaper chemicals that can actually clog injectors rather than clean them. Drivers have reported rough idling, misfires, and poor fuel economy after using this product. In some cases, it can even loosen debris without dissolving it fully, leaving harmful residue behind in the fuel rail and combustion chamber. 4. Ethanol-based cleaners. On the surface, ethanol-based fuel injector cleaners seem like a strong solution. Ethanol is a powerful solvent, capable of breaking down deposits and moisture inside the fuel system. But here's the problem. Too much ethanol is already one of the biggest challenges facing modern engines. Today's gasoline often contains up to 10% ethanol, and adding more through a cleaner can accelerate corrosion in fuel lines, damage rubber seals, and even harm aluminum components. These cleaners may temporarily dissolve gunk, but they strip away lubrication that injectors and pumps rely on, leaving the system dry and vulnerable. Over time, this leads to faster wear and tear, rough engine operation, and higher maintenance costs. 3. Marvel Mystery Oil. Marvel Mystery Oil has been around for nearly a century, earning a reputation as a multi-purpose additive. It's often praised for improving lubrication, quieting noisy lifters, and helping older engines run a little smoother. However, when it comes to cleaning modern fuel injectors, it falls short. The formula doesn't contain polyetheramine, PEA, the detergent proven to remove hard carbon deposits that restrict injector spray patterns. Instead, Marvel is more of an oil-based conditioner than a cleaner. While it may slightly reduce friction or dissolve minor varnish, it won't restore clogged injectors to peak performance. 2. Kerosene-based cleaners. Some budget fuel system cleaners rely heavily on kerosene or similar petroleum distillates as their main ingredient. These products are cheap to produce, which makes them attractive for low-cost brands. Unfortunately, they do very little to actually clean injectors. Kerosene acts more like a weak solvent and a fuel thinner than a true detergent. Instead of dissolving stubborn carbon buildup, it may simply dilute fuel or leave behind additional residue. Over time, this can lead to clogged injectors, poor combustion, and reduced efficiency. Worse yet, kerosene-based cleaners strip away vital lubrication from the fuel system, which can cause premature wear on injectors and fuel pumps. 1. Alcohol-heavy formulas. Another category of injector cleaners to avoid are those built on high concentrations of alcohol. These products are marketed as moisture removers or quick fixes for fuel contamination, but they aren't designed to handle the tough carbon deposits that actually clog injectors. Alcohol is a strong solvent, but it's also highly corrosive and drying. In small amounts, it can absorb water in the tank, but in excess, it strips away protective lubrication inside the fuel system. That means injectors, fuel pumps, and seals are left exposed to wear and damage. Some formulas even mimic rubbing alcohol. Instead of improving performance, alcohol-heavy cleaners often make engines run rougher, burn less efficiently, and require more frequent maintenance. Not all fuel injector cleaners are scams. Some are backed by science, proven by drivers, and trusted by manufacturers. Here are the ones worth your money. 3. Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner. Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is one of the most popular and trusted products on the market, and for good reason. Unlike the cheap bottles you see at the gas station, this cleaner actually contains a solid amount of the right detergents to make a difference. Lucas designed it to attack stubborn carbon deposits in the injectors, intake valves, and combustion chamber, while also removing harmful buildup in the fuel system itself. One of its biggest advantages is that it's safe for all types of gasoline engines, including modern direct injection systems. Drivers who use Lucas Deep Clean regularly often report smoother idling, reduced hesitation during acceleration, and even improved fuel economy over time. Another benefit is that it helps neutralize the harmful effects of low-quality fuels, especially in regions where premium gas is not always available. Lucas Deep Clean doesn't rely heavily on alcohol or kerosene like many low-grade alternatives, meaning it won't dry out or damage fuel system components. Instead, it lubricates as it cleans, reducing wear and tear. While it's not a miracle cure for neglected engines, when used consistently as part of regular maintenance, Lucas Deep Clean can extend injector life and keep your engine running efficiently. It's also cost-effective. One bottle can treat a full tank, and results are noticeable without overusing the product. For everyday drivers looking for reliability and peace of mind, Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner stands out as a safe, proven option. 2. Gumout Regain High Mileage Cleaner. Gumout Regain High Mileage Cleaner is specially formulated for older cars that have accumulated years of wear, carbon buildup, and injector deposits. Engines with higher mileage often struggle with reduced performance, rough idling, and poor fuel economy, and this is where Regain really shines. What sets it apart from cheaper brands is its high concentration of polyetheramine, PEA, the gold standard chemical for dissolving carbon deposits in injectors and combustion chambers. PEA doesn't just wash away surface grime, it actually breaks down and removes tough, baked-on buildup that restricts fuel flow and disrupts spray patterns. For high-mileage vehicles, this makes a big difference, restoring smoother operation and improving throttle response. Another strength of Gumout Regain High Mileage is that it's designed to combat the side effects of ethanol-blended fuels, which are common at most gas stations today. Ethanol can attract water, leading to corrosion and deposits in the fuel system. Regain's formula addresses this by not only cleaning, but also protecting against future buildup. Many longtime users report noticeable improvements in fuel efficiency after a few tanks treated with Regain, making it an excellent maintenance product for vehicles over 75,000 miles. It's also compatible with both conventional and direct injection systems, meaning it works across a wide range of vehicles. While it may cost more than budget cleaners, the payoff is worth it for older cars that need extra attention. In short, Gumout Regain High Mileage Cleaner is a powerful, targeted solution for drivers who want to breathe new life into aging engines. 1. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple Max Clean is widely regarded as one of the most advanced fuel system cleaners available. Thanks to its powerful formula and long-lasting effects. Unlike budget cleaners that offer temporary relief, Max Clean is designed to deeply clean injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, and even carburetors. Its formula is rich in detergents that break down tough carbon deposits, restoring proper injector spray patterns and improving overall combustion efficiency. What makes Max Clean stand out is its versatility. It's safe for gasoline, diesel, and ethanol-blended fuels, making it a go-to product for drivers of different vehicle types. Independent testing has shown that Max Clean can improve fuel economy by up to 3.2% and reduce emissions by as much as 12%. That means cleaner running engines, fewer harmful exhaust gases, and better long-term performance. It's also known to reduce engine knocking and hesitation, which are common problems caused by clogged injectors. One of its biggest advantages is longevity. A single treatment lasts for thousands of miles, so you don't need to use it as often as cheaper cleaners. Drivers who use Max Clean consistently report quieter idling, smoother acceleration, and an overall increase in reliability. Another reason Max Clean is trusted is its protective qualities. Not only does it clean, but it also prevents future buildup, which is critical for modern direct injection engines that are prone to carbon issues. While it comes at a slightly higher price, the results often justify the cost. For those who want premium-level cleaning power combined with long-term protection, Royal Purple Max Clean is one of the most effective choices available today. Choosing the right fuel injector cleaner can save you money, boost performance, and extend your engine's life. Don't waste cash on cheap gimmicks. Stick with the products proven to work. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and share this video with a friend who loves their ride.